Watch the TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Yes, we keep on the hoodie, greats of all time. Trying to be one of the best detailers out there, but not even trying to be best. I'm just trying to be good at what I do. Ain't nobody my competition, I don't have no competition. But first and foremost, about to get this day started. Got a new customer. She actually hit me up over the weekend while I was in Chicago. She got a Prius she wanted me to go take care of, so I gotta go take care of that Prius. Other customers canceled because it was saying rain. I'm not gonna understand. I want anybody paying their money when the weather's stupid. But other than that, it's a great day. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of these 2 stops, maybe 3 if anybody calls. It's a little cold this morning. I think right now, give me a minute. Oh shit. My dumb ass just locked my keys in the car. Look. Let me stop this video. I'll get back to y'all in a minute, peace. all right, y'all, we back. We're in the crib, got a spare key. You see what it is, 2004 E250 van. When I got it, had 77,000 miles on it. So let's go ahead and see how many miles on this thing now. See the key work. Right now it has 157,000 miles. So let me see, 157,000. Everybody know I was in Chicago. Let me see the weather. Let's look at the weather today. I was looking up attorneys, man, cause some bullshit happened over the weekend. So right now it says, it can't be the weather right now. Yeah, it says 36 degrees, feel like 32, that's crazy. The high today supposed to be 50, you see tomorrow, it says a little rain, that's what I mean when I say people cancel, but it's only 40% today. I'm gonna work Saturday and Sunday, you see the weather starting to warm up. You see Tuesday got a little rain. But we're gonna go ahead and get it started. Like I said, I'm happy I had that extra key. Pretty gonna put that back in the house. I actually got a spare key to all my cars except for my Tahoe. Yeah, I think I got a spare key to my Tahoe, but you see that tire low again, man. Like I said, all the construction. Definitely need to clean my car when we go home. Like I said, got a new backpack my mom gave me, that buff I bought, things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. The water tank already full, things of that nature. But like always, man, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail world, man. A bit off more than I can chew, man. Haven't done a car this dirty and this bad in over, man, 10, 12 years. And I mean, this thing is bad. Like, look at the mats over here. Mats are pretty dirty. You know what I mean? You see it. You know, you see the paint. The paint is real bad. You know what I mean? You see the top covered in hackberry juice. You can even see the little bra on here, it's all cracked up. And then even the interior, man, it took a little bit more. It took me 2 hours alone to get these seats looking as good as they look. I mean, it was very bad. I mean, it was very stained in here. Doors was dirty. And still not up to par, to be honest. If you look at this seat, you still see some of the stains and stuff like that. Carpet still don't look that dirty, but man, she said she gotta go. I already been spending 2.5 hours on the interior. She said she needs the car done in an hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the exterior real quick, man, so I can get to my next stop if she's still there. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. See, we tried our best to wash this without damaging it. Like I said, this is a bra on here. So to get all this dirt off, it really need to just come off, so we couldn't get that off. And then with the top of that car, it definitely needs to be waxed, and it's oxidized real bad, so the black stuff is kind of embedded in the paint. But we got the car looking as best as we could. She already came out and looked at the car, man. She said she's really enthused with the work, which I'm not really too enthused with it because it don't really look like nothing. But y'all know we came to do what we do. We got here about 10:30. It's already 2 something, so we've been here all day working on this car, man. But we're finna go ahead and head home. The other car already left. She said she had to leave by 2:30. By the time we get over there, it'll be 2:30. So y'all already know, man. Be consistent, be persistent, be relentless. And if you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button today. Leave a like, leave a comment, share. And I'm sorry I couldn't give y'all better results with this, but like always, I'm gonna be great, you be great, and I'm gonna catch you at the next one. Peace.
YouTube. Watch the TY38.